Hi guys, good morning! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ngayon ay dinala ko ang mga bata para sa follow-up check-up ng kanilang TB test. Titingnan natin kung ito ay positive or negative. But I doubt it. It's look like negative kasi pangalawa na nilang TB test to. Bago kami pumunta ng India, nag-TB test din
Maaga
ulit
din
sila.
kami gumising guys dahil nga ito ang unang araw ng kanilang summer camp. Kaya inuna muna namin
Doctor Clinics.
Which one? Nina, let her show it. It's just a bruise.
Perfect. No bumps. So both negative.
Yay!
What you guys were seen on Friday?
Hi guys, we are negative in TV test.
Yay! Five, okay? Go. There, right there, Nina.
Where do I have to put this?
Maybe here? Just carry it for now. Yeah, put it there.
Oreos, where's the sun?
Bye, Serena. Kiss Mama. You'll be fine. Okay. Yan. Okay, go.
Where's the sun though?
So we are going to be playing a little game. Who knows what game we're going to play?
Oh, banana,
Five or six.
Okay.
It'll be a small game.
banana slot test?
Bye, Serena. Have fun.
Who knows? Who knows?
Man, why do
Playing.
you like seafood?
You don't or you do?
Bye, Nina.
It is actually sequel.
What?
That was kind of a crazy guess. So today is Marvelous
Not
Monday.
sequel.
Marvelous.
Today's Marvelous Monday. No, that was Marvel Monday. This is Marvelous. So, we will be playing a Marvelous Sequence.
Man, not her again.
Alam niyo ba guys na memorable itong lugar na ito dahil dito kami nag-first date ni Tatay. Yee!
Dan, love, are you charging? Oh. Let's go. Next time, she needs to bring hat and a jacket. You know, California's weather is unpredictable. Charge point. Are you okay? Yeah. Summer camp? You're gonna be fine. I love you.
I'm scared.
No, nothing to be scared. Come on. Find the room 4 first. And you can meet friends. You know, Aiden might be here. Remember, that's supposed to be your preschool. And now, it's your... Come on. Room 4. I don't know. Let's go see. Let's go, baby. Remember you used to walk here with your sister when we pick you up? I push him a stroller. Probably this one. Gymnastic. Frozen dance camp. Wow. There you go. Room 4. Okay, you'll be fine, Salvatore. Give me a kiss now. I love you. You do good. So what we're looking here?
Bathtubs.
Okay, very good.
The idea is the fact to get some ideas in terms of the sizes and everything else, so that you know when you
Okay.
say a 66-inch bathtub, what it looks like.
All right, let's go. Come on. Go. Wow, I love the kitchen. Hello.
Doctor send you here to look for bathtubs.
Tubs, yeah.
Oh, your contractor did?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Is there a specific type of tub that you're looking for? Freestanding?
Freestanding, yeah.
Yes.
Did you want me to kind of show you where they're at?
Yes,
Yes,
first?
please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
They're a little scattered right now, so I have the Kohler.
Oh,
I have 2 signature there, and then there's an MTI on the other side of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
thank
looking at the questions.
Perfect. Thank
Actually,
you.
roughly, what are the sizes so that at least we can figure it out?
Yeah. Oh, I like this one too. This one is really nice. There's the sizes.
Where?
How much?
25.
2,500. That's really nice. I love it. But I like kind of like
Higher.
Lavo. Can I have this? This
Sige.
one. This is really nice. How much is this one?
$1,400. $1,400.
No, I like this. Can you take a picture, please?
Yeah, for this powder. Yeah.
Yeah, I love this. Please take a
Yeah.
picture. Oh, and this one to, tatay. I like this, Tay. Take a picture of this, please.
Yeah. You already got that.
No, I don't think so. We're not.
I didn't eat my already.
This one is really nice too.
See that?
This one.
But that's also the jacuzzi with.
Yeah. Anything else, tatay? I think Nick knows what I want, so that's why he told us to come here. Because this is the one I like, really.
Yes.
One bag. But this one is a lifetime.
Yeah.
Why
By the way,
not?
I don't use a
So, ayun nga guys, tapos na ang aming homework dahil sabi nga ng contractor namin, magtingin-tingin kami ng bathtub para alam namin kung ano yung gusto namin na ilalagay sa aming master bathroom. At syempre, nagtingin na rin ako ng refrigerator. Although, hindi naman po ako bibili agad dahil okay pa naman po yung mga gamit namin sa bahay.
Good morning. So this is our apartment. Now I'm going to get some veggies. See how close it is. You're not gonna believe it, but is this an Indian market? Small lang naman. Ito lang guys. So ayun yung apartment namin. Ayan. And then ito lang. Matatawa ka talaga. Talaga imposibleng makakalimutan mo ang India eh. Ito lang yun. Tawid lang ako. Then ito na. Right here. Tada! Diba? Ayan. Magsisigang ako guys. Hahanap ako ng gulay. Super close. You don't have to go anywhere. Ito na yan. Vegetables. Right here. Okay, this one. Morning! See? Vegetables. I'm in vegetable section. Oh, ang daming roti. Okay guys. Desi natural dahi. Indian style Namfa yogurt. O, diba? $1 lang ito guys. Ito, at may moringa pa guys. So, it's funny. May moringa, nakakatuwa. Mali, kukuha ko naman. Oh, perfect for sinigang. Wala silang sitaw. They don't have sitaw. That's okay. Hindi naman nakain ng sitaw yung mga anak ko. See? Maliit lang tong Indian store. Pero meron pa dito. Marami dito guys. Be shocked. Okay. Ito na lang. So guys, ang saya. Meron akong pang sigang. Tutuwa ang mga bata. lagi nang magsigang.